Hello, today let's see how we can turn any photo into a painting. Let's see 11 Canva Paint Effects. I'm on the home page and let's go to social media and choose Facebook post. Now let's go to the left side menu, click three dots, more, photos, and we can choose any photo. This one. And now let's go to edit image and let's search paint effects and click see all. And here we can choose any paint effect. Here we will find 11 Canva paint effects. Let's see. We can click once again and here we can adjust intensity. When it suits us, click apply. And here you go. Let's try with other photo. Click photo, go to edit image, paint effect, and let's try another one. And here you go. Now we'll do the same steps. And here you go. Now let's see all effects with the same photo. Which paint effect did you like the most? Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check Extensive Canva Master Course on udemy.com. Link you will find in the description.